Jackson's first attempt at real food. Doctor said it might be okay.
Open up! Yummy!
You gotta learn to swallow it, buddy. Uh-oh. No? Uh-oh. Hey, what am I supposed to do with that?
Shook his hand. Is that good stuff?
Is that rice?
Yeah.
You get used to it, buddy. You'll probably like it. You'll be like, wait a minute. Wait, I think he just realized it. Look at his eyes.
Yummy stuff. Yeah, you like it?
Wait. He's like, what? Is that like a bottle, but not a bottle? Hi there. Hello. Still sucking. Oh, I think he's got it. You liking it now, aren't you? First little bit's kind of weird.
Today we're going to surprise people with the taste of Activia. It's good. Wow, this is really good. It's really great. It's really tasty. Oh, wow. It's Activia.
What's Mom trying to do to you? Huh?
Activia today. Taste it, love it, drink it. And now discover Activia dessert. Enriched, indulgent flavors like strawberry cheesecake. Try Activia dessert today. Victoria's Secret introduces Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yummy stuff.
It's not all coming out, so it must be going down the hatch.
Son was asleep. I really didn't see it coming. I didn't realize.
All right, now you're gonna shut the camera off a little bit.